Hello, Adrian here at Tradeology, and today I want to cover a subject that I think is important for all traders. That is to know your market environment. Now, before opening a trade, every serious trader will first analyze the status of the currency pair he's about to trade. Although sometimes a simple analysis can be enough and can lead you to profit, you should always try to get the whole picture of the market. Not every trading strategy is suitable for every market environment. Traders need to know the current state the market is in to determine which strategy will achieve the best trading results. The state of the market can be classified into two main scenarios. One, a trending or up or downwards moving market. Two, a ranging or sideways moving market. Now, let's cover the trending market. The trending market is one where price is generally moving in one direction. Of course, price may go against the trend every now and then, but looking at the higher time frames would show that those were just retracements. You can simply draw a trend line to determine whether the market is trending up or down, and we'll look at that now. So in this image that you'll see on the screen, we see an uptrend. How do I know that? Well, a line is drawn from the left to the right of the chart, down below the price at the swing lows or the low points. And if you extend that line across, you can see clearly that there is an upward moving market. Now, the exact opposite is so for a downtrending market. And we can see I've drawn a line from the left to the right of the screen on this price chart from the highs that we can see on the chart. And we can see that there is a clear downward movement there. Now, let's have a look at some indicators in trending markets. There are a couple of indicators you can use to determine the trend, many of which are available free. And the first one is the Average Directional Index, or ADX. The ADX indicator can be used to determine if a market is trending or ranging. This indicator has a value of above 25 if the market is trending and below 25 if the market is ranging, and we'll look at that shortly. It's a non-directional indicator, which means it will report a positive figure whether price is trending up or down. Now, on this screen, we can see the trend line once again on the main chart, and at the bottom, we can see the ADX. Now, the ADX in this instance is above 25, where indicated with the arrows, and so this tells us that the market is trending. So we get the extra confirmation from the ADX that it's an upward trending market. Now, besides the ADX, we have moving averages, which can be used to determine if the market is trending or not. Now, we will use, in this instance, moving averages short 8, medium 20, and long 50. Now, the rules are that the MA20 must be above the MA50, and the MA8 must be above the 20. Then we have an uptrend, as shown in the image. Now, if the MA20 is below the MA50, and MA8 below MA20, we have a downtrend, again as indicated in the image. Now, let's have a look at some range-bound markets. A range-bound market is a market environment where price trades horizontal or sideways. The price stays inside a range of a higher price and lower price, where the higher price acts as resistance and the lower price as support. So, on this image, we can see two horizontal lines, one above price, one below price, and price is moving between these lines and is determined then as being range bound. It remains within those two lines. One way to determine if the market is ranging is to use the same ADX that we've mentioned earlier. So a market is said to be ranging when the ADX is below 25. Remember, as the value of ADX diminishes, the weaker the trend is. So on this image, we can see clearly, where depicted with the arrows, that the ranging market is determined where the ADX is below 25, and it's flat below the 25 level there. We can also see on the image that visually the market is horizontal. Whether you're trading a pair that's in a trending or ranging environment, you should take comfort in knowing that you can profit whatever the case may be. Knowing what a trending environment and a range-bound environment are and what they look like, you'll be able to employ a specific strategy for each. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more and learn more than what I've just mentioned in this short video, you'll be able to do so by clicking the link in the description that accompanies this video. Thanks very much, and I hope to see you soon in another lesson.